Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you how to use the morph transition in the PowerPoint. First of all, you want to check your PowerPoint version. You can go to the file and accounts. You're gonna see it there because this feature is only available for the Office version 2019 or newer, I think. Let's jump right in. Okay, first of all, you want to create the object. Here I use the text morph, and then you can just duplicate the slides. You can right click and press duplicate slides, and on the duplicated slides here on the slides 2, you can just move your object where you want it to move. I wanna i wanna place it right there, like that, and then go to transitions and click morph. See, now your object are moving, and actually that's it. What it do is the PowerPoint is tracking your object from the original position and the second slide position, and it moves the position to the first position into the last position. Yeah, I think that's it for the tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoy it and get creative.